Let me show you how I took 75 square feet in my house that looked like this and turned it into this DIY project in less than 60 days. All the details and costs next on Home Pro Hero. So I had this large storage space in my basement. Really wasn't needed since I had a large garage. Having tools split between a downstairs storage room and a garage was obviously not a great idea. I took half the space down here and I created this home office, about 75 square feet. All DIY, start to finish, in less than 60 days. The room obviously had some challenges because it was a storage space. It was never designed to be finished space. The plumbing valves were an issue, and then also the door to the existing utility room, which housed my furnace, my water heater, and whatnot, had to have a way. So I came up with 5 different finishes in this area to make it look nice, have a great feel, and actually be unique to any other room in the house. These unique finishes helped me hide the challenges that were in this room. After we framed and insulated, ran the wires for electrical and Ethernet, my first finish was the Shiplap ceiling. Real simple, it was just pine, already primed, got it from Menards. Great look, easy to do. I moved on to the wainscoting that included the hidden panel. The hidden panel that would hide my pipes, my main shutoffs from my gas, all hidden behind these panels. As you can see, look at the wainscoting, you would never know there was a panel there unless I just told you. Once we got the wainscoting done, we moved on to the luxury vinyl plank, which is a great flooring, especially for a basement. Snaps together super easy, looks phenomenal. It's basically water resistant, mold resistant, whatever you want to call it. It's a great floor anywhere in your house. Once I completed the flooring, we moved on to the Shou Sugi Ban wall, which included a hidden door. This hidden door led to my utility rooms. Luckily, I just told you, but you probably would have never known. The final unique finish was the brick wall. Super, super easy. Great look. Will last generations. I have videos on all 5 of these unique finishes. I'll put a playlist in the description. Take a look at those. I go in great detail how to complete them from start to finish. Look, if you like this video and you like the other videos and you want to improve the value of your home or property, you can get more by liking my videos, commenting, and especially subscribing to the channel. If you're looking to get more from me, check out my Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit pages where you see behind the scene photos, videos, and whatnot. To finish out the space, I know a metal fabricator that made these brackets for the shelves and the desk. Makes everything floating. I mounted the brackets to the wall using redhead anchors. You might have seen the short on that. The shelves, the desks are all made out of 2x8 material, and I used a 1x4 pine to actually edge the shelves and the desk. With a little black stain and some polyurethane, it gave me a great contrasting look. As you can see, my bobblehead collection has found its permanent home, at least I hope. My wife hasn't said anything about it yet, so I have a good feeling she's probably gonna allow me to have them there. They've been in the closet for a long, long time. She hates them. The metal piece of art was actually fabricated by my father-in-law. Does a great job. We've had it for a long time. The lighting in the room is super easy. Basically, I got the lamp that I made a short of, a repurposed lamp that I used from my attic. I also have the light behind me, which is basically a tube light shooting into the corner. And then the lights that I actually built are above. Basically, it's a 1x2. I wrapped LED lights around it, and then I put 1x4 on top, making it kind of like a sandwich. I ran both wires to the back utility room to a small transformer, which also goes to a Lutron dimmer switch. The whole room's smart, so it's all on Lutron, so I can control it with my phone or with Alexa. Alexa, home office on. Of course, you want to see my utility room, what's left of this big room that I cut in half. Plenty big enough for what I need in this house. All my tools have been moved up to my garage. Having these finishes in this room, along with the finishes in my game room and theater and wine room, it all ties this basement in really, really nice. So what did this cost me from start to finish? I'm all in for about $3,200. You're probably looking anywhere between the range to $15,000 to $18,000 if you can find one that will do all this detail. Google says that you'll get 90% of what you spend on your home office back. So roughly, we'll go on the low side of the $15,000. That leaves $12,000 in equity by doing this myself, and I did it in 60 days. You can't beat that return on investment. Unfortunately, this project's come to an end. The good thing is there's a new year coming, and I have a new big project coming too. We're heading to the master bathroom. Lots of big upgrades, a little bit of remodeling. Should take me through the rest of the winter. Make sure you follow me for more, and have a happy and safe New Year.